make this bread for breakfast. The regular recipe that you can find on my page. Look at how easy it's stretching and very non-stick. The bread came out so clean. This is just another way to enjoy breakfast by making keto-friendly bread like this. You can use it with whipped cream syrup. If you have cream cheese frosting, which is low-carb style that you make, and that would go really well with it too. A big cup of coffee to go with that is my every morning a must. Feel free to ask me any questions you have. Ketogenic lifestyle really works for me and my husband. We have lost